Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zini Budiarti with MPM 2241163 from Management Class 22B. International Trade Policies. International trade policies covering one tariff. A tariff is a type of tax imposed on important goods. Specific tariffs are imposed as a fixed change of the unit of important good. For example, from a barrel of oil, tariff valorum is a tax imposed basis of certain percentage of the value of important goods. For example, perfect tariff in important cars. In both cases, the impact of tariff will increase the cost of shipping goods to a country. To export subsidies. Export subsidies is the payment of the certain amount to companies or individuals that sell goods abroad, such as tariff. Export subsidies can be specific a certain value per unit of goods, or old valorum, a percentage of the exported value. If the government provides an export subsidy, the sender will export goods up to the limit where the difference between the domestic price and the foreign price is usually to have a value of the subsidy. The impact of export subsidy is to increase the price in the exporting country, while in the importing country the price goes down. 3. Import restriction. Import restriction, import quota, are different direction of the amount of goods that can be imported. Their restrictions are usually exported by granting license to several groups of individuals or companies. For example, the United States limit the import of cheese. Only certain trading companies are allowed to import cheese, each of which is giving quota to import a certain amount every year, which cannot excess the maximum amount that has been set. The size of the quota for each company is based on the amount of cheese imported in previous year. 4. Voluntary export restraints. Another form is import restraints in voluntary restraints, which is also called a voluntary control adjustment. Voluntary restraint adjustment, a restriction or quota on trade enforced by the exporting country and not the importing country, perhaps political and legal advance that make it a preferred trade policy tool in the rich year. However, from an economic point of view, voluntary export control is essentially the same as import quota, where licenses are given to foreign government and therefore very expensive for importing countries. For is always more expensive for importing country compared to tariff that limit importation by the same amount. The difference is the government's income in tariff becomes obtained for parties in fair, so that for actually result in the loss. 5. Local context recruitment. The local context recruitment is an arrangement that requires that certain part of the physical unit, such as the use oil import quota in other case, the requirements are set in value, which requirement a certain minimum share in the price of goods starting from domestic value, and that the provision of local context has been widely used by developing countries that every trying to shift their manufacturing base from assembly of the processing of intermediate goods. In the United States, local context legislation of motor vehicle was promised in but has not yet been implemented. 6. Export credit subsidy. This export credit subsidy is like an export subsidy, only it exists in loans that are subsidy to buyer. The United States, like most countries, has a government agency, the Export-Import Bank. Export-Import Bank that is different to less provide subsidies lot to help export. 7. Government management. Purchased by the government of strictly regulation companies can be direction a domestical produce goods, even though the goods are more expensive than imported goods. A classic example in the European telecommunication industry, the countries of Europe are basically free to trade with each other, but the main buyer of telecommunication equipment are telephone companies, and in Europe, these companies are still owned by the governments. Domestic supplier even the supplier charges higher price compared to other suppliers. As the result, there is the little trade in communication equipment in Europe. Age bureaucratic barrier, red tape barrier. Sometimes government want to reduce import without doing to formality. Fortunately, it is easy to ensure health, safety, and customer producer in such as way as a barrier to trade. A classic example is the French government different recruitment all video case requirement to pass around in small customer office and policies effectively limiting export, the reliability small quantities. Thank you.